First of all, you have to use your mind power to believe in yourself. This is the truth of everyone. Say this with me. God is not a big man in the sky. God is the real man in me. God is the presence and power within me. God is the mastermind working through me now. Listen, your face is no good until you learn to have faith in yourself. How in the world can you believe in somebody in the sky and you don't even believe into somebody in you? I don't care how much faith you may have in a God in the sky until you learn to have faith in the God in you. Your faith is dead. The most important thing in the world is what you believe about yourself. That's the most important thing. Your entire experience is fabricated out of what you believe about yourself. And I always have to point this out. It is not important what other people believe about you. It's only important what you believe about yourself. And you see, you have to be the kind of person that you can believe in. You have to be honest with yourself. You have to be truthful with yourself. You have to be decent within yourself. And then you can believe in yourself. Once you learn to believe in yourself correctly, you are no longer worried about what other people are thinking or saying about you. Subscribe before we continue.